This is a Venus flytrap. Bought it off of Amazon. Everything comes in a box here. This tears apart. This is actually a substrate you're gonna use. You don't use marbles or anything. You're gonna build the netting in here all around to break pieces of this off as well. And then here's the actual plant. And you're gonna put it in the middle of there. And you're gonna need another about 5-inch pot to put it in there like that. And you feed them about 1 insect once a week. If you're keeping it inside, if you're keeping it outside, you don't have to give it insects, it'll catch them. But just 1 insect for one of these is fine. You don't have to give 1 insect per. 1 for this is enough for the entire plant per week. If the grass is really dry that you got in there, you can do 2 insects a week, but see how it goes. The main thing is you cannot use tap water. You have to use distilled water or reverse osmosis water, or you could use rainwater. That's what I'm probably going to use. That seems to be the easiest. So make sure you don't mess up on that, because they really stress that. Here's a little diagram they send with it too. How to set your pot up, how to grow it, and where to plant it. I'll give you another instruction sheet telling you about the light. It needs high light. Don't move it once you put it down. Don't mess around with it. Tells you about the feeding. So it really gives you a detailed description. There's even a back page to that too. So the next video, I guess, check back and hopefully we'll have this guy planted up and he's doing well. Maybe we'll show you a feeding or 2 in the video. All right, talk to you later.